Anita Lucy is definitely mixed with Border Collie, I think. And they say shit about Cash, like, I don't know, I've had him since he was 7 weeks old, right? When his head was flopping over. I'm like, what's wrong with him? They're like, hey, well, we found him on Tyrone Street. His name is Tyrone. I'm like, you serious? I'm like, it's 114 degrees outside. I pulled up in my $200,000 V10 R8 Audi, right? With the mother of pearl dashboard. I had the most expensive Audi that had ever been imported to the United States. It was like 198 grand. But the doctor that bought it, costume, I mean, downlights, uplights, hit that sports button, and now boom, boom. Nicholas, I know we took a trip in that Porsche Cayenne, like that bitch was fresh. But thank God we didn't take you on a test drive. It appears as though I had a 2-hour conversation with Eric today. We covered a lot of territory, as you know that I can do, and so it wasn't happy, bro. But I'm not sad. Like he said to me that he thinks about me and prays about me every day. I accept that, bro. Anybody that want to pray for me every day or any day make me feel good. So I've been given an awful lot of advice recently that I don't care to listen to. That's not who I am. It never will be. Every last taking breath will be my own. Every last taking breath will be I will never, ever succumb to other people's advice. That's not my job as a man. I don't mind being told what to do. Take the garbage out, bitch. Whatever. That's easy shit. But when it comes to love, men need to stand up and man up. And I'm really happy for both of you. You guys got each other every day. I got Cash, though. So, hey, Cash. Hey. Anyway, he's okay. So I think that's the extent of everything that I wanted to talk to you about, except for the fact that our boy in Bangladesh, he working on shit, bro. I mean, I'm branding you. Hashtag call me Nick. And then, airborne veteran on the back. Hashtag I am Will. Those are one-offs. We can put every single shirt is gonna say got your back. I don't know how he's gonna do it. I told him, Nicholas, the boy in Bangladesh, he ain't a boy, right? He a man, he's in his 30s. But he got 6 years Photoshop and everything else, right? And he banging up the shirts, bro. Like, banging them out. It's like, all right. So we promised him 10%, which would make him the richest person in his country if we do it right. Talk to you boys later.